In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to republish a site on Google Sites fast and easy. Now, whether you're someone with experience working on web pages or you're just getting started, you'll find that Google Sites offers a user-friendly approach to building and managing your website without requiring any advanced coding skills. So let's dive in and explore the steps to republishing an existing site using this convenient platform. First off, open up your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Google Sites and press Enter. You should see a link that says Google Sites in the search results. Click on this link to navigate to the Google Sites homepage, which is your base for managing all your existing projects and creating new ones. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see a list of your sites. Here, you'll need to locate the specific site you're looking to republish. It will typically display under your list of sites along with other projects. Click on your selected site to open it in the editing view. This editing view is where you can make any necessary updates or changes before republishing. With your site open, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Publish button. Click on this button to begin the publishing process. If you've set up a custom web address for your site previously, don't worry, it will remain the same. Google Sites conveniently remembers your previous settings, so you won't need to re-enter or alter your custom domain or URL setup. Now that you've clicked Publish, you might be prompted to review any changes or updates you've applied to your site since it was last published. Take a moment to verify everything looks all right. Once you're sure everything is in order, and as you intend, simply click Publish again to finalize the process. This step ensures that all recent edits are live and viewable to your audience at the defined web address. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully republished your site on Google Sites. This intuitive platform really makes it easy to manage your online presence without having to worry about the complexities of traditional website development. Remember, you can repeat this process anytime you need to update or adjust your site's content. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of republishing on Google Sites quick and hassle-free. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tutorials and leave a comment if you have any questions. Happy site building!